I'm going to show how to replace this outlet with a LIDER USB outlet. I bought this one online. Here's what comes in the box: the outlet with various receptacles, wall plate, and instructions. This comes with a duplex tamper-resistant receptacle, a USB Type A, and 2 USB Type C charging ports. Here's a look at the anatomy. On one side, you have the silver terminal screw that receives the white neutral wires. The wires are connected by plugging them in to these designated ports. As you can see, they are clearly labeled for which wires they receive. On the other side, you will have a brass terminal screw that receives the hot black wires. Begin by removing the existing outlet. Start by testing the current outlet for power. I use a voltage tester pin for this task. Next, find the breaker box and turn the power off to that outlet. Return to the outlet with the tester pin to confirm the power has been shut off. With the flathead screwdriver, remove the wall plate in this manner. Then test once again to make sure there aren't any hot wires in the box. Once confirmed, remove the outlet by unthreading the retaining screws as seen here. Once unthreaded, pull the outlet from the box in this manner. And again, it's always a good idea to recheck for hot wires just to be safe. Now, loosen the terminal screws with a screwdriver to release the wires. I'm releasing the white neutral wires in this scene. I recommend spreading the wires out and away from your work just for the ease of handling later. Next, I loosen the green screw. This is the screw that holds the ground wire. I then repeat this process on the other side with the hot black wires. Next, install the new outlet. Begin by loosening the terminal screws on each side. This is necessary for the terminal holes on the back to receive the wires. Then insert the bare end of the wires into the terminal holes in this manner. Once inserted, hold into place while tightening the terminal screw to clamp the wires in place. Next, repeat this on the other side. This is the side that will receive the black hot wires that has the brass terminal screw. Once again, tighten well with a screwdriver to clamp the wires into place. Finally, on the bottom of the outlet, you will find a green ground screw. Loosen the ground screw to make room for the bare ground wire. Next, take some electrical pliers and straighten the end of the bare ground wire. Once straight, install it under the ground wire plate in this manner. Then tighten the screw to clamp the wire into place. Always give a good tug on the wires to make sure they're secure. Now use your finger to tuck the wires deep into the box. Make sure the bare ground wire does not make contact with any of the side terminals. Next, secure the outlet back into the box using the retaining screws in this manner. Then install the wall plate as seen here. Finally, turn the power back on at the breaker and test the outlet for power. I recommend using a receptacle tester for this task. Refer to the troubleshooting legend that should be included with the tester. Once deemed safe, the outlet is now ready to use.